Shwmai a chroeso I Caru iwci gyda gwir y stac a'i ffrindiau. Warm welcome to Caru iwci with us gwir y stac and our friends. We are a local bilingual band who enjoy singing, and we would very much like to help out in these difficult times with helping you to sing along with your children so they can learn Welsh through singing. Very good way of learning, and obviously of benefit to the kids, yourself, something nice to do as a family, and of course for our country and our wonderful language. So in the series we'll be playing different instruments that we play on a regular basis. I'm playing today a mandolin and Cymraeg hefyd, in Welsh as well. And the name that we've given to this particular set of programs is Caru iwci. Caru being love in Welsh, and iwci being a play on words for ukulele, which is another one of the instruments that we and our friends play. So we hope you have a bit of fun, and we start off with a chorus to a first song that we regularly play. It's called Un, Dau, Tri, Dyma ni'n dod. 1, 2, 3, here we come. What's important is when we go through the words in Welsh, is I will give you a little time to repeat the words after me, so that then you can have a little practice. So it goes canu, which is singing, canu, un, 1, dau, 2, tri, 3, dyma ni'n dod, here we come. So canu, un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. That's good. Okay. So we'll have a little try at singing it. I'll sing it for you first. It goes something like this. Canu un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Canu un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Canu un, dau, tri, un, dau, tri, un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Good. Now it's your turn. Tro chi. Your turn. Canu un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Canu un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Canu un, dau, tri, un, dau, tri, un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Try it again. Now I'll play the music and you have a little sing. Canu. All together. Canu un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Canu un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Canu un, dau, tri, un, dau, tri, un, dau, tri, dyma ni'n dod. Good. Have a little practice of that and see how you get on. Once you're confident, maybe post a little video of yourselves doing it into your school hub. Of course, that's depending on whether or not your school's happy for you to do that. And hopefully, once we get back to normal, then Gwir Stack can come in and play a bit of a concert, and you'll know some of these songs to be able to sing along with us. So, hwyl fawr, bye for the time.